Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Max. Going to give you a brief run through the KENWOOD 10.1 inch tablet we've just fitted into this Mercedes Vito, about 2016 year this one. Now if you have a little bit of a look here, we've got Apple CarPlay on the big screen. Now this is a fantastic unit, easy and intuitive to use. Love the road control dial, makes it much easier for turning up and down the volume on the fly, and you've got Apple CarPlay on this whopping 10.1 inch screen, which is capacitive, so feels almost real light to the touch, practically like using your iPhone. Now this tablet looks pretty great inside here. It's going to be real nice and easy for the user to see its maps and use it and things like that. Now feature wise, this head unit has been integrated into the Mercedes Vito. Now this vehicle actually from factory has a reverse camera, so stick it into reverse, the reverse camera comes up and you get moving guidelines as well. So this is just retaining the use of the factory camera. Take it out of reverse, comes out of reverse. Also you've got steering wheel controls, so we can adjust the volume and we can keep those working for the workings of this new head unit. Now this head unit feature wise has got wireless Apple CarPlay built into it, which is how my phone is connected now. You've got wireless Android Auto, which is Android's version of CarPlay for your maps, your messaging, music, etc. And this has also got DAB radio, and you've also got HDMI input on this stereo, so we can run HDMI leads into the glove box, and you can plug in a Fire Stick, Google Chrome device, Apple mirroring, whatever you want really. So if you want to watch any movies on a long journey, you can do that, or for the passengers, or you can watch something yourself if obviously you are still. Now this stereo has the ability to actually take HD cameras, so a future upgrade for this customer potentially would be to actually replace these cameras, put in HD ones. The factory camera doesn't look too bad on the screen. Some might say it's become a little bit distorted ever so slightly, where it's been blown up from like a tiny 6-inch something screen to now a 10.1 inch screen, but that's all pretty normal to be fair. But yeah, I mean, that's a brief overview of the KENWOOD head unit. It's got all the features that anyone would ever need. 2 HD camera inputs and 2 standard camera inputs, so you can have 4 cameras in total on this one if you're looking to have the parking protection. But yeah, all fitted in using a fascia kit, the right connectors to keep the steering controls working, and that's about everything for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got a Vito, want to do something like this, get in contact. We can give you a quotation on a floating tablet screen or flush and 7-inch monitor, depending on what may take your fancy. I'm Max, signing off. We'll see you again soon.